We are here because thrifted shoes, dirty whites, dirty bottoms. I'm not too concerned about the bottoms, but I am concerned about getting that price tag off. Hey guys, it's Lexi from Stay at Home Mom Hustle and Bustle on YouTube, or you can also find me by the same name on Instagram. We're here today because we're going to be showing a really basic way to clean shoes. So you go thrifting, you see some great shoes, and you see that the white is pretty heavily damaged. It is a super easy fix. I hear so many people talk about so many different ways and like ways with so many steps and they require you to go out and buy so many different products, when I'm like, I'm a stay-home mom on a tight budget. That's why I started doing Poshmark and to help supplement our family's income. And I just use stuff that I have around the house, guys. Like, I don't buy anything specific for Poshmark. So I found these babies. They're Steve Madden, but I got these. They were $6.99 yellow, so I got them half off. So I got them for $3.50. So I got these. They are a little bit in rough shape. I don't know if you can see. I will post some pictures so you guys can see clearly how dirty these are. Just basic stuff from around the house. I've taken out my brush. It's a really strong bristle brush. You can use any. I use a Lysol dishwashing brush. It has like the little spot so you can like put in like dishwashing soap. I don't use it for that. I just like that how strong the bristles were. A pencil. And a magic eraser. And now I'm gonna demo. You want your magic eraser to be wet? We got it wet. Before you start with any shoes, when we talk about cleaning, I always recommend wiping it off with some kind of bristle brush. If there's some like loose debris, you can get it off. Once you get it wet, you're literally just spreading that dirt, and it's just gonna spread, and you're gonna watch it spread from surface to surface, and then you're gonna be like, why do I keep getting marks? I just wiped that area. So I learned that the hard way. Always be careful depending on the material that you're using. You know, these are leather, but I'm not going too hard on them, and it's also because they're not the suede leather. Like sometimes the suede leather, you'll see there is more damage done, so you have to be a little bit gentler. But with these, I can be pretty rough, but I'm still being gentle at the same time. Okay, so we got lots of dirt on. Right here, this part isn't in like this like more texture, so it's probably gonna take these off. Sometimes just an eraser is all you need. People say white eraser. I've always used just a regular eraser, and I've never had an issue. Honestly, the way that this is rubbing off though, I think the magic eraser is just gonna do it a lot faster. So we're just gonna go jump to that. The magic eraser will break up. It will make a mess. So sometimes when I'm doing this, not for video purposes, I normally have like a trash bag. I put it down flat on the surface and then do it, so then I can just like pick up the bag and it's not like this some big mess. But so let's do this as good as possible so you can see the dirt, the eraser marks when I did it. We're gonna use an olive grease and just scrub. See, it's deteriorating. These make a mess. Like the people who say, oh, but they're strong ones, it doesn't matter. They all do this to me. I mean, if you're being rough, if you have a little bit of a textured spot, it's gonna happen. Leave the bumpier spots for the end, because as you can see, it's already ripping up because this is textured, but like this is gonna rip, it's gonna shred it. So leave that for the end so you save your eraser. Disaster zone. Magic eraser disaster. I'm sure other people are like, lady, there's better techniques than this, but for me, this is in my house already, so this is what I'm going to use. As you can see, it's already like really cleaning this shoe up. Okay. Alright, so I had to go get another magic eraser because that other one was just shredding all over the place. And I will say they're going a little bit better on this. Honestly, I'm surprised why. I think because I'm gotten to the blue part, so now it's like that part's stopping it from just shredding more. So I guess in a case of a bumpy shoe, Dawn is good. So it's definitely cleaner than it was. That's like a good comparison of a regular magic eraser versus the Dawn. It is taken off the price where the regular magic eraser, look how much I left behind. I was scrubbing it for a while. This one, it's like almost gone, right? And even like me, like I will even, if I'm not gonna clean the bottom, I don't care. I'll even still post it if there's dirt, because that's how they're gonna get it. I'm gonna show it, because I don't want to have any Poshmark complaints. If you have it in your pictures, they can't complain about it. If they go to complain about it to Poshmark, it's like, well, it's clearly shown in the photos. So like, show the flaws. The people who try and hide the flaws, it doesn't make sense to me. Like, you're just gonna get a case. See, no price. The rest of the shoe is a little bit cleaner. Let's do comparison. So it's a little bit better. It's not perfect, but the price is gone. It looks a little cleaner, so I'm gonna do it to this shoe too. And I mean, obviously, even if I don't get it to be perfect, I'm okay with that. I just want it to look better than it did, so I can make a little bit more money on it. You know, if I put it up like right when I got it, like, yeah, people are not gonna be like intrigued, be like, ooh, hey, those look nice. Like, no, they're gonna go past it. Okay, so we still have sponge crumbs, even on my shirt. That's okay. I'm gonna show you what I would do next. So get a towel, one that you don't really care about getting marks on it. Get a dry one, wipe these off, get all the sponge crumbs. The next one, the towel that you don't care for, get it really, really wet, like soak it. Wring it out really good. You don't want it like dripping in your shoe. You don't want to damage your shoe. The power of Dawn. Give it some Dawn. And you're gonna really mix it in. It's sudsy. You don't want to try and get rid of as much of like, you don't want it to be so strong that it's like so blue. I mean, obviously it could be a little bit, that's okay. So now what I'm going to do is, if you can see my hands, the insides, the logo is pretty dirty to some people. Like, it wouldn't matter. I'll show you this one. To me, I don't know, it just bothers me. Like, I put this effort into the shoe and it's like, this could take 2 seconds. So on their feet. So this one is the one I just did. That's the other one. So like, you can tell it's definitely like a little bit brighter, and to me, like, that's worth those couple of seconds. And normally when I'm cleaning shoes, I do so many shoes at once, I have all this stuff right near me, so it's like not a big deal to like take it all out. So now this one has like some heavy stain right on like the Steve word, so we're gonna better, not perfect. Make sure you get all those sponge crumbs off your shoes before you take pictures. Like, fully in the fabric, in the shoe, and on the bottom. So I'm pretty happy. Again, they're not perfect, but I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna get more money for them than I would have. So that's good for me. And it didn't cost me anything, because, I mean, technically a magic eraser, but like for me, that doesn't really count, because I would have had those in my house anyway, so it's nothing I had to actually go out and buy. I'm okay with that. Back to seeing my face. Okay, guys, so if you want to like this video and subscribe for more videos, let me know if there's any videos, things that you're looking for, any issues that you're having with certain items that you're like, what can I do for this, or Poshmark questions, anything. Comment, message me at Instagram, on my Facebook, in my Facebook group on Poshmark. Again, I will post the links below. And I hope this is helpful to you. Posture that, you know, is looking for just general stuff around the house, doesn't want to go out and be crazy about this. New terms of the day, you've learned the term sponge crumbs. Sponge crumbs, crumbs that come from a sponge. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my quirkiness, and I know I can be difficult to watch. I've been told I'm a fast talker. Sorry guys, I'm a New Englander. So we have awesome things going on, awesome things to help you grow as a Poshmark seller. So, and a really helpful community. Thanks guys, bye.